In today's video, we're going to dive into a topic that's been a subject of much debate: genetically modified organisms, or better known as GMOs, in our food. I want to share with you the 10 most alarming concerns about the severe health risks of eating GMO foods, plus 5 bonus reasons. Number 1, allergic reactions. One concern is that GMOs can cause allergic reactions in some people. Some worry that transferring genes from one food to another could introduce new allergens. Number 2, antibiotic resistance. There's debate about whether GMOs might contribute to antibiotic resistance, as some genetically modified crops are engineered to be resistant to antibiotics. 3, cancer risk. Some studies have suggested that a potential link between GMOs and increased cancer risk is very, very real. Number 4, gene transfer. A possible risk that involves the transfer of modified genes to cells of the human body or to bacteria of the gastrointestinal tract. Number 5, outcrossing. Outcrossing, or the movement of genes from GMO plants into controversial crops, could have indirect health effects, potentially changing the nutritional content of non-GMO food. Number 6, environmental impact. The impact of GMOs on the environment might indirectly affect human health. For example, if GMO crops lead to increased use of chemicals or harm to biodiversity, these changes could have broader health implications. Number 7, unintended effects. Many argue that genetic modification might have unintended consequences, potentially leading to unexpected allergic reactions or other health effects. Number 8, ethical concerns. There are ethical concerns related to GMOs, such as mass production of food production, which many argue could have indirect health implications. Number 9, lack of long-term studies. There isn't enough data on long-term health effects from consuming GMO foods. More comprehensive research is needed. Number 10, consumer choice. Most people feel they should have the right to know and choose whether or not they consume GMOs. Currently, 26 countries have partially or fully banned GMO foods, and 64 countries require GMOs to be labeled. Unfortunately, the USA doesn't require companies to label GMOs used in foods. Number 11, resistance to pesticides. Crops genetically modified to be resistant to pests can lead to the development of superpests. These pests may become resistant to current pesticides, requiring the development and use of stronger, potentially more harmful pesticides. Number 12, impact on non-target species. GMO crops, especially those engineered to produce their own pesticides, can adversely affect non-target organisms like beneficial insects, bees, butterflies, and soil microorganisms, which play a critical role in ecosystems. Number 13, economic dependence for farmers. The use of GMO seeds often leads to farmers becoming economically dependent on biotech companies for seeds, as these seeds are often patented and cannot be saved, reused like traditional seeds can. Number 14, loss of biodiversity. The widespread planting of genetically modified crops can lead to a decrease in biodiversity. This is because GMO crops are often more uniform genetically and their cultivation can displace and reduce the variety of native plants and animal species. Number 15, decrease in soil fertility. Some GMO crops are engineered to be tolerant to specific herbicides, leading to their increased use. This can result in soil degradation and decreased fertility over time due to the impact of these chemicals on soil health and microbial balance. So, those are some of the most alarming concerns surrounding the health risks of GMO foods. And trust me, there will be many, many more in the upcoming years. Remember, you are what you eat, and your health is your wealth. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing health content.